Hey there folks, Jonathan Caugherty here, your friendly sales rep at Bill Harris CDJR, and I'm excited to tell you about the incredible all-new Chrysler Pacifica. Let's start with the looks. This minivan is turning heads on the lot. The new Pacifica rocks a sleek and modern design that's not your typical minivan. The front grille has got this bold, confident stance, and those LED headlights, they're like shining beacons of style on the road. Now let's talk power. We've got options, my friends. You can go with the hybrid for that eco-friendly edge and some seriously impressive fuel efficiency. Or if you're feeling the need for a bit more punch, we've got gasoline engines that don't compromise on performance. So whether you're cruising city streets or taking those family road trips, the Pacifica's got you covered. Step inside and you'll see what I mean. When I say Chrysler didn't hold back on comfort, the interior is a symphony of luxury and practicality. There's room for up to 8 passengers, and trust me, they won't be complaining about space. And if you really want to treat yourself, you can opt in for the second row captain's chairs and let the good times roll. Folks, let's not forget about the tech. The infotainment system is a breeze to use, and with the available dual panoramic sunroof, you'll feel like you're driving in the open air, even when you're not. Oh, and safety, we've got that covered too. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking. It's like having an extra set of eyes on the road. And you know what sets the Pacifica apart? It's the little things, like the hands-free power sliding doors and liftgate, a game changer when you're juggling groceries and kids. And of course, stow and go seats. So there you have it, folks, the 2023 Chrysler Pacifica. It's not just a minivan, it's a statement that says you don't have to sacrifice style for practicality, and you don't have to compromise comfort for the whole crew. Swing by Bill Harris Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, and let's get you behind the wheel of this incredible ride. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on experiencing the Pacifica for yourself.